If your forearms look the same after years of training, watch this. Save this and come back stronger. You're training arms, but skipping forearms? Here's how to train them. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. If you want your arms to look strong, build your forearms. Reverse grip curls, wrist curls, reverse wrist curls, dumbbell radial deviation, dumbbell ulnar deviation, wrist rotations. Save this and come back stronger. Your biceps mean nothing if your forearms look weak. Do this. Waiter wrist curls. Standing behind the back wrist curls. Supported reverse wrist curls. Dumbbell disc grip curls. Concentration hammer curls. Save this and come back stronger. Bigger arms start with stronger forearms. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger.